there! I'm Leafio, the Green Energy Genie. Did you know that every year tons of lithium batteries are made and not all of them find a home? This happens due to minor manufacturing issues such as misaligned screw holes. Instead of letting these brand new batteries go to waste in landfills, my pals and I at BatteryEvo repurpose them in new ways. The majority of these batteries have never been used at all, so they still have their full lifespans. Let me take you through our magical process. First off, we give each battery container a good once-over to make sure they're all up to snuff. After they get the thumbs up, we take them apart into individual modules. Each module gets measured and sorted for the next part of their journey. We even used our repurposed batteries to win a Guinness World Record for the longest drive on an electric vehicle. We're all about keeping things clean and green, recycling any leftovers so that nothing goes to waste. After assembling the battery pack, we test the battery voltage for each cell and the internal resistance. We inspect every module closely, checking all the welding points to make sure they're solid. Only the best modules get to move forward, where they're fitted with positive and negative terminals. We process large quantities of technical data and utilize AI to analyze the lifespan of the battery. We always make sure they have more than 99% of their original lifespan. All of our batteries are fitted with a fancy new battery management system. We produce each battery management system with our own proprietary technology. The BMS will monitor the parameter of each battery cell and will automatically shut down if it detects any abnormalities. We hook up all the necessary wires and ports, making them ourselves. Every day, my team and I work our tails off to ensure every battery pack is just right. Now for the grand finale. We assemble these packs into high-capacity storage systems, like our Star Performer, the Walrus system, and exciting new commercial applications like our EV supercharger. The Walrus is an all-in-one unit, meaning that unlike other energy storage units, it comes with an inverter built in on the top. The inverter is equipped with all the connection points you need, AC in and out, MPPT for solar panels, and even 120 and 240 volt outlets. With our strong tech background, we custom design, manufacture, and test each inverter with our own technology. Before we ship the Walrus out to our happy customers, we test the overload protection by purposefully running too much power into the unit. The system will auto shut down 3 times to check the status. Once an acceptable status is detected, the system will resume. We also created our very own app, so you can track and manage the data coming from your battery and home. We pack each order with care and send our systems far and wide across the United States. We're extremely confident in our repurposed batteries, so much so that we offer the same 10-year warranty as any other new battery. At BatteryEvo, we're super proud of making fewer carbon footprints than other battery makers. Here's exactly how much you save the planet by choosing BatteryEvo. Put into numbers. Manufacturing a Walrus creates 2,275 less kilograms of carbon compared to the production of similar batteries. That's equivalent to driving 259,980 miles in a gas car. That would be like driving the circumference of the entire Earth 10.4 times. Even our smaller batteries, like the Badger golf cart battery, saves a ton of emissions. While you're enjoying a luxurious day on the golf course with your Badger 2X kit, you're also saving 740 kilograms of carbon, which is equivalent to driving a gas car for 59 days straight. You're a green energy hero! I might be a genie, but helping the Earth doesn't need magic, just a bit of eco-friendliness. Thanks for doing your part to help us create a greener and more eco-friendly future at BatteryEvo.